Welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to discuss something very important to the AriChain project. If you miss out on this piece of information I am about to share with you, you might easily lose your account. So you might easily lose your Ari account with any day without even knowing. So take this video very seriously. And then also in this video I'm quickly going to show you how you can get today's code. I'm going to give you today's code in this video so that you can earn and grow your accounts. So that is what we are going to be discussing about. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So once you log in, you can see daily check in. So receive Ari coins by checking in daily. You already know that, so you just have to click on check in. So once you click on check in, you wait for it. You can see you have earned 30 Ari. So you log into the app like this. The first thing is you see daily quiz right here, so click on that. So once you click on it, it is going to load up today's quiz. Say answer the quiz correctly and earn Ari points. What is the penalty when a BP or a BO is offline? The answer is C, so you have to click on that, and you can see congratulations, you have earned 30 Ari coins for answering correctly. So the next thing is to make sure that we earn our RG right here. It's very important. I've discussed that with you in my previous video. So you just click on the X video and then go, it will take you to X. You can react to that post or repost, and then just come back and then refresh. So you see it didn't add up, so I'm going to react. So let's react and go back, and then once we react and go back, so you can see token coins has already been distributed. So it's like they have already given me. So you will now come to this one, collabo. You see that there is a red mark right here. It means that there is something I'm supposed to do. Say partner, join this. They have partnered with a new project and they want us to join them on Telegram, and then we are going to get 20 RG for completing that task. So you just have to do that. So once you have done it, you just come back. So you can see it's showing processing right now. So it is going to process and then add up to my RG, right? You can see this one too is processing. So I've told you, once you see processing like this, keep checking so that you will be able to get your points at the end of the day, because if you miss out, it will not be funny. So the next thing we are going to discuss about, come over to this section right here, click on the 3 lines. So once you click on these 3 lines, the next thing is this setting logo right here. So click on that. So once you click on that, now this page is very important. I want to show you how you can get your master key and keep it. Your master key is very important. If you lost that master key, you have lost your Ari account. So it is like a passphrase. If you lost it, just forget about your account. So once you do this, make sure that you keep it somewhere very safe. So you have to come over to view master key. So you see that, so click on that. So once you click on that, they are going to give you the option to enter your email and then enter your password. So they want to be sure that it is you that is operating the account before they will give you that master key. So which goes a long way to tell you that that master key is the power of your account. The power of your account is not even your password. Your password is just one thing, but that master key, very important. So I will just go ahead and insert my password. So once you have inserted your password, you just click on next, and then once you click on next, it is going to load up. You just have to be patient. So you can see right now, so the master key is this one right here. So you are going to see your master key right here. And that is why if you look right here, you're going to see the master key is an essential key for resetting the password in case you lose it. So it is the only way that you will be able to recreate your password, meaning that if you lost your password and you request for a new one, they are going to ask you for that master key to be able to reset your password. So if you lose it, it is in fact, just forget about it. Then the second one says if you lose the master key, there is no way to find it, so be sure to save it somewhere else. So if you lose it, just forget about that, it is also gone. So the last one says that master key is the key that is changed when the password is changed. So when changing the password, be sure to save it with the changed master key. So it means that when you are changing your password, your master key will also be change. So meaning that one password, and each password has a certain master key, and each master key has a certain password. So once you change one, it affects the other one. So it is important that you keep these two things as long as you are participating in this AriChain project. So make sure that you save this information. So that is your master key. You have to copy it and make sure that you keep it somewhere very safe. It is very important. And please, if you have not joined this project, make sure that you join it. It is very important, and this project is going to be huge. It will cook very well. Just head over to the Play Store, download the app, and come back. Then in the comment section of this video, you are going to see the code. So use that code, because you need that code for bonuses. So once you use that code, you are going to get additional bonuses, and then you can go ahead and be earning.